Good morning, great 10 students. A warm welcome to today's class. Today we will discuss about the third category, that is future tense. And this future tense is subdivided into four kinds: future simple future, future indefinite tense if not, future continuous or progressive tense, future perfect, and future perfect continuous tense or progressive tense. Let's move on to the first one, that is simple future. Actually, this simple future is used to refer actions that will take place after the act of speaking or writing. That means the simple future tense is used for an action that will take place at particular time in the future. Okay, with example we can get a better understanding, like Raju will play, I shall go, etc. Now let us see the structure. Subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. What is the structure? Subject plus will or shall plus V1 plus object. And now here most of them will get a doubt whether to use will or shall or both. Okay, I will clarify now. Actually, as a traditional rule, that we have to use shall with first person pronouns. With what? With first person pronouns. Means what? I, we. Okay. And will is used with the second and third person forms. That is you, he, she, it, they. Okay. So shall is used in the first person pronouns, will is used in the second and third person's pronouns. For example, I shall be late. They will not have enough food. Okay, but this is the traditional rule. Okay, and here some clause is there. What? Whenever you want to express a strong determination or a promise or a threat, I'll come again. Whenever you want to show or express a strong determination or a promise or a threat, what will happen? Both the rules will be reversed. Both the rules means shall is used in first person pronouns, as I said, and will is used in the second and third persons. Just now we had discussed. But now here what will happen? Both the rules will be reversed. Will is used in the first person and shall with the second and third persons. Sir, how can we identify? The identification is when you are expressing or showing a determination or as a promise or a threat. That makes the difference. Example, I will not tolerate such behavior. So it is a strong determination, right? You shall go to the ball. You shall go to the ball. We shall overcome this difficult moment. I shall never forget the help you gave me. These are all the promises or determinations. Okay. Or some expressions like, shall we have something to eat? Where shall I drop you off? These type of. Okay. Now let's move on to the examples. I am taking the same verb for the four. Okay, that is play, for past tense or present tense or future tense, because to get a better understanding. I shall play, she will play or he will play. Okay, now when we come to this four categories of affirmative, negative, interrogative or negative interrogations, DeCosta will play. Negative sentence, DeCosta will not play. If it is interrogative sentence, will DeCosta play? A negative interrogation, will DeCosta not play? These are the four categories which we can discuss about simple future. Hope you got my point to understand, or else we can go with 2 or 3 more examples, like He will arrive tomorrow. I shall meet my friends in the evening. We will play the game next week. Okay, like for example, to show the habitual actions in the future, birds will build nests. Rivers will continue to flow into the sea. Okay, these are the examples. Now let's go ahead with future continuous or progressive tense. This tense is used to describe actions ongoing in the future. The future progressive is used to refer to continuing action that will occur in the future. Like, I mean to say that this tense is used to indicate the completion of an action which will be in progress at a particular time in the future, and its structure is subject plus will or shall plus be plus v1 plus ing plus object. I repeat the structure: subject plus will or shall plus be form be plus v1 plus ing or v4 plus object. Okay, examples: I shall be playing, she will be playing, or he will be playing, or they will be playing. Like its affirmative will come like I will be playing. Negative is I will not be playing. Interrogative: shall I be playing? Negative interrogations also will come: shall I not be playing? This all comes under different type of expressions or sentences of future continuous tense. And the usage of this future continuous tense is, we use this tense to indicate an action that will continue for some time in the future. What? The action that will continue for some time in the future, it seems. The examples we can take like, he will be working here till 2022. She will be dancing till 11 p.m. Still more examples I want to give. She will be giving a presentation at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. This time tomorrow I will be celebrating my birthday. These also examples we can take. Actually, common time expressions will be used in the future continuous, like time expressions like while, when, this time tomorrow, this time next week, in the afternoon, next month, next week, next year, etc. like that. Today we have learnt about simple future or simple indefinite tense and future continuous tense or progressive. Tomorrow we can learn about future perfect and future perfect continuous tense tomorrow. And now I want to sum up. What is a future tense? It's a tense that is used for an action that will take place at particular time in the future. The example, now I want to change. Earlier I have used the example play. Now I will take the example reach. From that we can get it. I will reach, you will reach, okay, we will reach, they will reach, they shall reach. If it is future progressive tense, I will be reaching, we will be reaching, they shall be reaching. Okay, and one more clarification: will and shall. Basically, these will and shall or modal verbs. Our next topic of tense is modal verbs only. And the basic forms, will is used with a singular noun, means first person, like I, we, I will, we will. And if it is shall, it is used with the second or third person. She shall, they shall, you shall, like that. Okay, but this will be in a reverse. The roles will be changed when we want to express some predictions or some determinations or a promise or a wish or a threat. Okay, like there will be strong winds tomorrow in the south of the country. The year 2025 will be the 400th anniversary of the founding of the university. These are some examples. Or when we take our decisions or determinations, okay, or promise, I will do by tomorrow, means what? You have a strong determination. So please once again go through the video and recollect the information, okay, and then if any doubts you ask me. Now it's time for taking homework. Open your Living English workbook, page number 221 and 222, 222. These two pages as homework for today. That's all for today. Have a good day. Bye bye.